Hello everyone. In this video, you'll be able to learn in detail about eBay. That includes how to start working on eBay, how to make account, how to find suppliers on eBay and much more. But before you start learning from this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Firstly, all you need is to know the background of eBay. eBay is an online marketplace that allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell goods and services worldwide. It was founded in 1995 and is headquartered in San Jose, California. Sellers on eBay can list items for sale either through auction style or fixed price listings. Buyers can browse and search for items on eBay's website and can place bids or make purchases directly from the sellers. eBay provides a platform for transactions to occur, but it does not own the items being sold or take possession of them. In addition to its core marketplace, eBay also owns several other businesses, including StubHub, a ticket resale platform, and Classifieds Group, which operates online classified sites in several countries. eBay has a feedback system that allows buyers and sellers to rate each other based on their experiences. This helps to build trust between buyers and sellers and ensures that both parties are held accountable for their actions. eBay generates revenue primarily through fees charged to sellers, including listing fees, final value fees, and fees for additional services such as promoted listings. It also earns revenue through advertising on its site and through its payment processing service, PayPal. Overall, eBay has been successful in creating a global marketplace that connects buyers and sellers from around the world. Its user-friendly platform and reputation system have helped to build trust between buyers and sellers, making it a popular destination for online shopping. Okay, so far you know about the background on eBay in detail. Now you need to understand the type of sellers work on eBay. There are several types of sellers on eBay, including casual sellers. These are individuals who sell items occasionally, such as items they no longer need or want. Part-time sellers. These are individuals who sell items on eBay as a way to make some extra income. They may have a small business selling goods or operate as a sole proprietor. Full-time sellers. These are individuals or businesses that sell on eBay as their primary source of income. They may sell a large volume of items and have a more established business. Retailers. These are businesses that use eBay as an additional sales channel for their products. They may sell both new and used items and often have large inventories. Manufacturers and distributors. These are businesses that sell products directly to consumers on eBay. They may use eBay as a way to reach a wider audience and expand their customer base. Dropshippers. These are sellers who don't hold inventory, but instead list items for sale on eBay and fulfill orders by purchasing the item from a third-party supplier and having it shipped directly to the buyer. Auction houses. These are businesses that specialize in selling rare or unique items through eBay auctions. They may sell items on behalf of consignors or their own inventory. Overall, eBay is a platform that attracts a wide range of sellers, from individuals selling their personal items to large retailers and manufacturers using it as a sales channel. Before you make an account on eBay, you should know that under what category of seller you fall. Once you decide to be any type of seller, you can create eBay seller account. To create an eBay seller account, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to ebay.com and click on the Register button at the top left corner of the homepage. Step 2. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and a password. Step 3. Click on the Continue button. Step 4. On the next page, you'll be asked to create your eBay user ID, which is the name you'll use to sign in to your account and will be visible to buyers. Choose a user ID that is unique, easy to remember, and professional. Step 5. Click on the Continue button. Step 6. Enter your phone number, address, and date of birth. Step 7. Choose the payment method you'll use to pay your eBay fees. You can choose between a credit card, a bank account, or PayPal. Step 8. Review and accept eBay's user agreement and privacy policy. Step 9. Click on the Submit button to complete the registration process. Once you've created your eBay seller account, you can start listing your items for sale and managing your orders. Keep in mind that eBay charges fees for selling on their platform, so make sure to review their fee structure before you start selling. Okay, so next step is to know that how to do product listing on eBay. How to do product listing on eBay. To list a product on eBay, follow these steps. Step 1. Sign in to your eBay account, or create a new one if you don't have one already. Step 2. Click the Sell button at the top of the eBay homepage. Step 3. Choose the category for your product. Step 4. Enter a title for your listing that accurately describes the item you're selling. Step 5. Upload photos of your item. High-quality images are important, as they will help potential buyers get a better idea of what they're purchasing. Step 6. Write a detailed description of your product, including any relevant information such as the condition, size, color, or features. Be honest and accurate in your description to avoid any issues with buyer expectations. Step 7. Set the price for your item. You can choose to list your item at a fixed price or as an auction with a starting bid price. Step 8. Select the shipping options you'll offer, including the shipping method, cost, and any handling time. Step 9. Choose the payment methods you'll accept, such as PayPal, credit card, or bank transfer. Step 10. Review your listing and make any necessary edits or changes. Step 11. Click List Item to publish your listing. After your listing is live, potential buyers will be able to find and purchase your item on eBay. Be sure to monitor your listing and respond promptly to any questions or inquiries from potential buyers. Few key points to remember. Research popular and trending products. Use eBay's search tools to find out what products are currently popular on the platform. You can also browse other online marketplaces and social media to see what products are trending. Check for profitability. Before selling a product, make sure to research its profitability. Look at the product's cost, shipping fees, eBay fees, and other expenses to determine if it's worth selling. Check for legal restrictions. Some products may be restricted or prohibited from being sold on eBay. Make sure to check eBay's rules and regulations, as well as any local, state, or federal laws that may apply to the products you want to sell. By considering these factors, you can narrow down your options and choose products that have a higher chance of success on eBay. Congratulations! You are able to earn from eBay now. Good luck and thank you for watching.